team, welcome back. Today we are reading passage J, Flowers, from the second text in the Simple Comprehension series. The flower was red, yellow, and orange. Its petals glowed in the hot sun and reached toward the blue sky. As the first drop fell, the flower frowned. Rain was not supposed to happen at this time of year. The raindrops fell faster, and the flower shrank closer to its friends. Questions. What were the flower's colors? Which season does the story take place in? How do you know that? What is the drop in sentence 3? Describe how the weather changes. Now let's check the answers. What were the flower's colors? The colors were red, yellow, and orange. It says so in the first sentence. Which season does the story take place in, and how do you know that? It takes place in summer, and we know that because the sun is hot, the sky is blue, and rain is not supposed to happen at this time of year. What is the drop in sentence 3? It mentions the first drop here. It's a raindrop. And we know that as it then mentions the rain and more raindrops falling. Describe how the weather changes. At the beginning of the text, it is hot and sunny, and then it starts to rain. Thank you for your time. How did you go?